Fuente Silk Peptide Intensive Lifting Threads is a skincare product that claims to lift, firm, and smooth the skin using a peptide-based serum with visible silk or gold-like threads. It's been heavily promoted on social media platforms like Facebook and TikTok, often positioned as a needle-free alternative to cosmetic procedures. That alone raises an important question worth slowing down for. Can a topical serum really create a lifting effect similar to professional treatments, or is this another case of marketing getting ahead of reality? Fuente Silk Peptide Intensive Lifting Threads is described as a Korean-inspired serum formulated with peptides, hydrating agents, and ingredients marketed as collagen and elastin boosters. According to its advertising, the product is meant to improve skin texture, increase hydration, and create a tightening or lifting appearance so the face looks smoother and more youthful. The messaging focuses heavily on firmness, visible lifting, and anti-aging benefits without injections or in-office procedures. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling or promoting this product. Everything here is based on public information and common warning signs of misleading marketing. This review is for educational and awareness purposes only. No products or websites are promoted or endorsed. All observations are based on publicly available information and potential red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. One of the biggest claims centers on collagen and elastin. While these ingredients sound impressive, topical collagen does not increase your skin's natural collagen production. Collagen molecules are too large to penetrate deeply into the skin, and instead sit on the surface, where they act mainly as moisturizers. This can temporarily smooth the skin, but it does not rebuild structure or reverse sagging. When marketing suggests your skin will hold itself up again, that implies a structural change that topical skincare simply cannot deliver. Another major talking point is the presence of visible silk or gold-like threads that are said to lift the skin. In real dermatology, thread lifts involve physical threads inserted under the skin using needles by trained professionals. A serum cannot replicate this process. Any tightening sensation users feel is most likely caused by film-forming ingredients that dry on the skin and create a pulling effect. This can look good short-term, but it's cosmetic, temporary, and washes off. The product also emphasizes having many peptides, implying quantity equals effectiveness. In reality, peptides applied topically offer mild benefits, such as hydration and slight smoothing. They do not penetrate deeply enough to produce dramatic lifting or firm, sagging skin. More peptides do not automatically mean stronger or longer-lasting anti-aging results. When looking at independent user feedback, especially on Reddit skincare communities, the response is largely skeptical. Many users report only seeing the product through sponsored ads rather than genuine skincare discussions. Some have identified it as a white label product sold under different brand names. Others mention a sticky texture, gimmicky gold threads, and reviews that appear overly polished or fake. Even licensed estheticians have pointed out that no topical product can replicate the effects of Botox, fillers, or surgical procedures. Pricing is another concern. Products with very similar packaging and formulations can be found on wholesale platforms like Alibaba for around $34, while Fuente Silk Peptide Intensive Lifting Threads is sold for roughly $34. This large markup suggests a possible dropshipping model, where inexpensive products are resold at a premium through aggressive advertising rather than unique formulation or proven results. So what's the final takeaway? Fuente Silk Peptide Intensive Lifting Threads does not appear to be an outright scam, but it raises several red flags. The claims are exaggerated, the lifting effect is likely temporary and cosmetic, and independent feedback is largely cautious or negative. If you're considering this product, it's important to manage expectations, do additional research, and understand that topical skincare has real limits.